So really exploratory, really exploring how you move through back. So kind of using that kind of trail foot and trail knee. So you'll see here Aaron has the laser on his trail knee. Just take your start position for me, Aaron. So once again, these are guides. These are references rather than absolute rigid approaches you have to have. So as Aaron rotates through backswing, you'll see how the laser here, as shown by that circle on screen, is very much on top of that kind of trail foot. As he rotates through back, the laser remains on top of that trail foot. So once again, Aaron, you'll see here, as shown by that circle on the screen, the laser's kind of now over that trail shoe. As he rotates through backs and the laser remains pointing somewhere, almost from kind of big toe, little toe. That's the kind of threshold you can work within. So using that laser as an example of improving how he moves through backswing, using on the top of the trail knee as you move through backswing, allowing that laser to remain on top of that kind of trail foot can be a very playful way and a very exploratory way of improving how he moves through backswing. So one of the more common examples we can see display, for example, how we move through backswing. If you start to lose what's called the medial part, the inside of that kind of trail foot, we peel off that kind of inside of that foot, move on to the lateral border. So you'll see here, the laser shown by the circle on the screen is very much over Aaron's kind of trail foot. So as Aaron moves through backswing, really loses that trail foot, you'll see how the laser now comes off the foot and moves outside the shoe, once again very clearly shown by that circle on screen. So once again, Aaron, into your start position, you'll see the laser's tracking over that trail foot. As you move through backswing and lose the inside of the foot, so that pelvis actively kind of slides away. You'll see here once again, as shown by that circle on screen, we lose the laser on the foot. As an example, now to give that almost the comparable good example in some ways, just take your start position. As you make a backswing, keep the laser on top of that trail shoe, you can then really encourage and improve that pelvis to move and certainly lower it in to move better as we move through backswing.